Welcome, AI Explorers, back to another episode of Midjourney Monday. I'm here with my brother, Warren Tingen, who is an excellent graphic designer, all around AI expert. Teach us how to use Midjourney, man. Let's do it.
All right. This time we're going to jump in with a new theme. Of course, every week we do a new theme. But this one we're going to jump in with medieval castle, and we're going to look at seasons today. We're going to use some of the stuff that we've done previously with a photorealism and time of day, but we're going to change the seasons up. So this prompt, we've got medieval castle with modern technology because we like our fantasy plus science fiction elements.
It's a good mix.
Uh,
Yeah.
we're being really nerdy today. And for starts, we're going to start with dusk in summer because summer's upon us right now. Uh, it- but I always love the summer seasons. We're doing photorealistic with ultra high definition. We're doing landscape photography, so kind of gets an idea. And you can do things like National Geographic photography if we did an animal or something like that. And we'll probably explore that shortly. And then we have our Canon, our declaration about our type of camera, our landscape, and then we're again putting the style raw to keep it really focused on that particular type of image. So we'll set this going and see what we get from that. And we'll set another one going with another season. So we're going to do dawn and winter.
And should I do midday in the autumn?
Yeah, do midday autumn.
Okay.
Oh, I love these pinks already with these.
With the dusk. So
Yeah.
one of the things that I want to talk about is the effect of the style raw and then the S250 flag as well. Am I in version 5.2 again?
I don't know.
I
Did you
think, no,
set
I'm
it?
in version 6.0.
Oh, you're in 6. You're good.
Okay.
Okay. Look at those. Those are beautiful.
I'm digging that. Check out those
Okay. I didn't really bring in any
modern technological elements, but they look good.
oh yeah. I mean, love the scenery. The top left looks amazing. Looks
I think
beautiful.
if you added like science fiction, right? So it's focused a lot on the medieval castle. Um,
Right.
ooh,
Ooh,
look at your
look at
dawn and
those.
winter.
Uh, those are amazing. Compared to 2 years ago when I did something like this, the clouds look like popcorn, like just an awful thing. This is just breathtaking, honestly. Those are fantastic. What
Oh, we
came up
skipped the
with
midday and
autumn?
autumn. It's right there. I kind of like it. And it's interesting that top right one has that cool perspective. It's kind of a fisheye lens,
Hmm.
which isn't something we
Well,
asked for.
and that's the thing is it's trying to interpret based off what we've given it. And if we give it more specific details, as we continue to tell our audience, the specificity with which you engage artificial intelligence is the specificity with which you'll get results. So if we had said something like a bird's eye view of this castle in whatnot, it would really focus. So if we were really doing something for a client or something like that, we would definitely want to put that specificity in there. So we've got the midday. So what are we doing for spring?
Well, so I've already put it in medieval castle with science fiction technology at night in the spring. Ooh, look at the spring at night.
These are beautiful. For our audience, you can see changing just some minor things. It definitely gives it a different aesthetic. And again, the more details you are able to put in or infuse into your prompt, the better the result is going to be. And not that these are bad. These are all, I don't think any of these are bad in any way. They could be used for certain things, and I may end up using these for my Dungeons and Dragons game coming up. I'm going to create a castle town along the bay here shortly, I think. But we can see the nuance. The AI has been trained at these times of day. And if you're familiar with photography and those kind of things, you can use this to enhance some concepts that you're creating for your work. And hands down, these are all fantastic. I love it.
Oh, it's great.
Any
Um,
concluding thoughts, Jacob?
No, like and subscribe if you want to see more images like these. We do a Midjourney Monday every Monday right here at Tingenuity AI. We look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks for coming, and thanks always, brother, for hanging out and doing this.
Always fun.